Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money internationally using Western Union. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, there are two ways you can do it. You can do it in person and you can do it online. To do online, make sure you have the updated version of Western Union app, or you can visit the website itself. Now go ahead, create yourself a profile if you haven't created a profile for yourself itself. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead, verify your account, and go to the home section and choose the option of send money. Once I tapped on the send money app option, you're going to go ahead and enter the destination country and the amount. Once you have done that, you're going to enter the recipient's bank details accordingly. Make sure it's all correct and you have received the enough information from your recipient itself. Then you're going to choose the payout method, how you would like to send the money. You're going to select a payment method. It can be your debit or credit card, can be your bank account, can be your any other payment method as well. Go ahead, provide your bank details or payment details and confirm the payment. Review the details and pay the transfer fee, and then confirm the transaction. Now Western Union will email you and the recipient a confirmation regarding it, and that code will be required for them to receive the money over there. You can confirm it afterwards. Now in person, you simply have to go to a Western Union agent location nearby you. You can do it, you can search and find the location via website as well. Once you have found the location, you're going to tap on the send money form. You're going to get the send money form, fill out the information including recipient's information and the amount, etc., and then simply have to pay the agent the amount you want to send plus the fee in cash, and then they will send the money and you will receive a MTCN code. Make sure you provide to your receiver, and then they will present that code to the nearby agent location, and then they will get paid. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.